So now we are going where? To see the.
Yeah, making tent there. We see chameleons, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
And you are from Zanzibar or
Yeah.
mainland?
I'm from Zanzibar, yeah. My mom, my father from here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pure Tanzanian.
Yeah, I'm Tanzania from. Yeah. I'm proud of Zanzibar. I was born here.
Okay.
And you don't want to go to the mainland?
I've been sometimes
Yeah.
there.
For school?
No.
No?
For safari.
Okay.
Yeah. We've been to Sanusi one time.
Okay.
It was so amazing.
Kilimanjaro?
Kilimanjaro, no. I've never been somewhere else. It's only Sanusi.
Fresh air now. No coconut.
Okay, you have a lot of coconut.
Yeah.
Oh.
In my country, a lot of coconut. It's a famous.
Here I have one.
Where?
There are two.
Where? I cannot see.
Come see this one.
Ah, okay.
Because that is a camouflage over there.
Ah, this one.
Yeah. And this is
What is this name?
Black-necked chameleon. Chameleon in French.
Okay.
I think the main language is a little bit French, the chameleon.
He's moving now.
Chameleon.
This is, they can attack you when you touch. No.
Oi! Huh?
So how they survive?
Kwenye
Here.
honda hapo pigo na kumbuka.
Kaka, how they survive? Just to eat?
Yeah, they eat.
Just these plants?
No, they eat insects. And they
Ah,
eat
insect.
insects,
Okay.
Mosquito?
No, mosquito.
You don't like mosquito?
Yeah, blood is not insect.
This is how many years? This one
This
or
one,
months?
I think it's 6 months.
6
because
months.
we are there.
Okay.
This about 1 year and a half.
Oh, yeah.
But here I just different temporary. So I just gauge according to size.
Mm-hmm.
Just stay here for 2 months and after we back to the next one.
Okay. But this one is come from here, Tanzania,
No.
or
It's outside here.
outside?
This one in the hedge up here, I just stay for 2 weeks.
To
Then I roll them back. I have only one I remember, but now this one.
going back where?
To the nature.
Ah, okay.
I do productive. Just with an active number and project local.
Okay.
You know, I just rescue them and go where the people do activity.
Yes,
Farming,
yes.
so then, you know, they do bamboo
Mm-hmm.
from their farming. And the kids rather than do that.
Oh.
Because they don't care about the chameleon. So, and that's why I recruited local people. So right now I use more new generation. Like children, I go to make sure that the children they get understand. And I
Mhm.
hope through children they educate their parents.
So now, how many they are? Ah, this one.
Right now I have like 8 chameleon.
8. Okay.
They are this small number because others are already there.
So now he's eating.
Yeah, it's proper definitely. So, something like that.
Chakula.
Yeah. Have you ever seen before?
No, this is my first time I see it. Where are they? Are the other?
I have insects and I'm making them hunt.
Ah, okay. So time for eating, that's why they are hunting. Okay.
You see?
Where?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Ah, it's a green one. Yeah, this
The
one.
particularity of the chameleon, they can change color normally.
They change color.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Mm.
That's what we say.
Ah.
Protect themselves, they change color like this. Nobody can see them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they change. And it looks like same color of the plants.
Yeah.
He's hiding now. It's very fast moving, huh?
Sure.
You want to hold?
Yeah, do you?
Wait, can bite me?
No.
Sure?
Sure. I promise.
Hi, hello,
Smooth feeling.
Rafiki. Hello. But the nails sharp, huh?
Sorry?
The nails of them is very sharp.
The nails?
Of
Ah, the
this,
nails, okay. What about McDonald's?
very sharp.
Yeah, they are well.
Yeah.
How to go out?
No, because maybe they go out then.
They don't go out on the back. When they go out,
They know the place, so that's good.
they're not back. I mean, when they go out, no back.
Okay.
Because for me, they don't used to stay one place always.
Yeah. This one is big, yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna feed. You
Okay. Yeah. What did you give?
That's it.
Okay. Maybe it's scared.
No.
Oh my god. The tongue is so long.
Sure, tongue long is good.
Yeah.
Do you wanna try feed one?
No, I'm so scared also.
Yeah, it's good. This one.
Which one? I see there. Oh my god. It's very fast, huh?
Yeah, it's so
You
good.
say chakula is there.
It's just 1 second.
Yeah. Then how many times you need to feed them like that?
It depends. If they get enough, even 1 time. Because chameleon, when they get full, they stay like 2 days without eating. Just
For
chill.
2 days?
Yeah, just chill. Or when you see the hunting, it's not too much. They do like maybe 2 insects.
Okay. See there. Okay.
This is a male, black female. Female have only 2 men. One you had on the hand, also male. But he's just still young.
Still young, yes. Still young.
Because boy grow more bigger than female. Even lifespan, boy live longer than female. Yeah, boy live about 8 years to 10, female 5 to 6.
5 to 6.
Yeah, many activities. That's why female short life.
Short life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know how long the eggs stay down till baby come out?
No.
About 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
okay.
long time.
Then how many eggs? Probably.
It depends. Maybe 30 eggs you get both. Sometimes you get like a 27, 25. Other is lost.
Okay.
I mean destroyed.
Oh,
Yeah. But actually here I used to see them both the hatcher because I take care for the eggs also.
but so not all the eggs they can survive.
For
Some
sure,
it's
yeah.
getting destroyed.
Yeah, sure.
You know, Pole sana for that.
Yeah, it's like a nature, you know.
but-
It just happens.
But sometimes how many eggs they survive?
Sometimes both 30 or more than 30 they get
Oh,
survive.
but they are big. There are many.
Sure, yeah. You know one chameleon lay eggs, 30 eggs for one time.
38
Yeah.
for one. Okay.
One time. Especially like that. Small one can do like 15 or 20, but adult can do 30 or more than
Okay, so depends.
110. And they do like more than once in year. So
Yeah.
maybe 5 or more. It depends the environment they are.
Yeah.
But here, baby, they will stay for 2 weeks only from hatch-up. I stay with them. After 2 weeks, I give back free to the nature.
Yeah.
Yeah. Adult stay 2 months. After 2 months, I give back.
They give back.
Yeah, for productive and just educated local people, you know. Actually,
Yes,
they are scared
yes.
chameleon. Yeah,
But a lot now tourists they coming here to see.
for sure. Yeah, even the tourists, I do educate them. Some of them they are scary,
Yeah,
little bit.
yeah.
Not like I believe something crazy like
Yes,
other
yes.
or local people, but something like that. Everyone you needed to educate about
Yeah,
chameleon.
that's
Yeah.
true. Yeah.